AI is here, with productivity gains and cost savings for enterprise businesses. But scaling AI requires governance and security. Meet Jarvis AI, an enterprise-ready AI platform built to balance innovation with enterprise-grade governance, security, and flexibility. With cutting-edge features like LLM integration, enterprise knowledge bases, agent automation, MCP and agent gateways, usage monitoring, and access control, Jarvis securely connects to your data, empowering users of all skill levels. Beginners can use Jarvis with natural language, no coding required, while power users tap into 20+ proven agent workflows to automate repetitive tasks. IT teams can customize agents on their own or with support from the Jarvis team, tailoring workflows to their exact needs, as well as the needs of different departments. Jarvis grows as you grow, scaling across departments, users, and use cases to keep your AI strategy future-proof. See real value in weeks. Start with a free assessment and experience Jarvis AI in action.